Hey guys, it's me Dakota and my mom again, and we're doing another video.
Again.
As you can see, I'm wearing the same shirt. She's wearing the same shirt as last time.
Because it's the same day. We're having a lazy Monday.
President's Day.
Day.
Why not? Anyway.
Why not? Her favorite thing to say.
Yes, it is. And we just made soap. Yeah. And now we're gonna make these bathroom fresheners. This one's from Dollar Tree. It doesn't smell really good, so we're gonna make.
Well, it does smell good, but we're gonna make a more natural one.
And they smell very good.
We put these in the bathroom to take out the stank.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like when we buy them, and it has holes in the top.
But we're gonna make ones with these.
So this is what ours are gonna look like.
We're using ours with essential oils.
And we have some fabric here
to put on top of here. And we need a
mason jar.
Mostly like roundish like that.
So whatever size you want. We chose this size. We got a 4-pack at the store for, oh, you need to put your bench in.
Yeah.
Like $5
there you go.
For the 4-pack. And we just discard this piece. We save it for craft projects later. So we're just going to use this.
And you need water and a mix.
And then we need a piece of this tool.
Don't cut me.
Obviously. And we just measure it to go over. And you just cut a little
piece off. And yes, you do need Orbeez. These are like the floral kind you use for plants. They don't get super big if you leave them in water for a long time. So we put them, these actually grew pretty fast in about 3 hours.
Yeah.
And regular Orbeez take around 10. And they get very big if you actually leave them in the water. And
I don't know why I opened that.
I don't know why either. But we put water in here, and it was really cool if you put water in. You can put water in if you want and leave it in, but you couldn't see them because they're clear. So like when you feel inside of them, you can feel them, but you can barely see the outline of the Orbeez when they had water in it. But now it doesn't have water in it, so it's just clear Orbeez in the.
And it smells
pretty good.
Really clean.
It smells very good.
And I can put more essential oils in it.
Whenever, if it doesn't smell as good.
Yeah, as it starts to lose its scent.
So we're gonna.
So this is what they are like. They're not like squishy like Orbeez.
They're rip apart kind.
Yeah, they'll kind of just fall apart.
They're super duper tiny. Here, can I show them?
So, yeah, we got this.
It's these tiny.
10,000 for $5.
It's very tiny, and they are the floral.
Yeah, they're made for going in your plants or filling up vases. Like if you want to add this to some flowers that you get in a vase to help your flowers stand upright or whatever.
But just get them. But it's just very cheap.
But yeah, they're cheaper than Orbeez and they do the trick. So
yes, they do.
So the first thing, oh, I didn't get the scent out that we're going to use.
Plus it's kind of actually cheaper. Even though you did get this one from Dollar Tree, it was only $1. But most of them are like Walmart, like 10. And this was probably around the same price. But homemade, and you know what's in it. Instead of just those because.
Yeah, so let's see.
I found out at one of my family members' house, and I'm like, this is cool. And I like to smell it when I'm there. But we don't really go there because we live in California. What scent are we going to use?
I don't know. What scent do you want to use?
Do you have strawberry or blueberry?
No, I have orange. And grapefruit might make a good scent.
Orange and grapefruit, yeah.
So these ones we're not going to use the good ones because we're not putting it on our skin, so it doesn't matter. It's just putting the air freshener in the bathroom. So just put in a lot to make it smell good.
I'm going to put this sticky note here because this one is for my and my little brother's bathroom. And it's super good because we don't want it to be stinky.
So we're doing like 5 or 6 drops of each. It's just a small jar. And this is to let it soak with the water.
That's why it smells really
so good. The beads will actually soak the smell.
Are they in there? The bowl of water?
No, I haven't poured them in yet. The beads are going to actually soak the smell into it. And then we can put some beads in. So we got to open this.
They grow very fast.
Oh, I just dropped one on the floor. Oopsies.
It's fine. Hopefully he doesn't need it. Well, I don't think he'll find it.
We'll have to sweep it because we don't want the dog to eat it and have it grow in his gut.
Where? Ew.
So we'll just take this out. And we're just gonna pour, you know, I can't really tell how many you're pouring in with these. So I'm not gonna sit here and count them out.
1, 2. That just takes too long.
I just pour in a bunch. That's probably enough, huh?
I'm just gonna do this right now.
Oh, there's one on the table. Watch out.
Attack!
Right here.
They're very tiny. Okay. We're probably gonna be doing a lot of...
I think I dropped another one.
It's fine. We're gonna do a lot of essential oil videos because she is into it now. Maybe we can do one where...
There's twins right there. We just dropped them in.
They're all twins.
No, they weren't like stuck together, so they were conjoined twins.
Oh, well, anyways, we're probably gonna do like mixtures or like good things for a diffuser or like stress away or something. I don't know.
Didn't actually say that, but okay.
We might. I don't know. But she likes this kind of stuff, and I want to do
just making sure there's none on the towel. Here's one.
There's like probably 1,000.
Okay, so there's, you know, a fair amount in there.
Trillion in there.
And they'll grow to be big. And then what I did was after 2 or 3 hours, I saw how big these were, and I just added a few more. And I probably could have even added a few more of these.
We're not using this kind of jar because then if we do it, then we have to like poke holes in it.
Well, no, also because you don't want to use the plastic with the essential oils.
Yeah, but also...
So then we just add the water.
And we're using this one. We can spill it through if we want it. It's like air freshener. Oh my gosh, it's great.
Add the water.
This one you don't have to really use a measuring cup for.
No.
If you don't want
this
to.
This one's super simple.
You just pour it in.
Then we put this into place.
And then you put the lid on. It's very easy. It takes about...
The lid's crooked.
5 minutes. So this video is probably going to be 10, so probably around 8 minutes to do.
And you just let this... So that's done. You just let these sit here.
And then they will grow. And
they've already gotten bigger a little bit.
See, these ones grow very fast.
And within 3 hours, they'll be full size.
And maybe we'll update one on these. And so I'll put this... Oh, God.
Don't put that on top. And then what I did for these...
is to keep poured.
Well, I just dumped the water out like that. And that was that.
So you can see the Orbeez, and it's just not...
After they were full grown, I dumped the water out. And then the smell is still here. What?
Did you do that already? Or no? Yeah?
Put hands in here.
What I told you to do yesterday?
We felt inside why the water is in it, just to fill the beads.
I know, but you do it.
No, yes, he felt it. It wasn't a prank. I had him fill it.
I know.
She wanted her dad to fill it.
And wanted him to be a prank. And
she wanted me to prank him. I didn't prank him. I just simply told him to fill it.
I was going to tell him, it's just water. It's full of water. It's actually something to take your hand out and smell your hand.
But he knew it wasn't just water because he knew what I was doing.
Oh. Yeah. Clean fill.
There we go.
Anyway.
It was bothering me that the mesh wasn't straight here.
She likes straight stuff. I don't.
We know. Okay, so there's that. And as these grow...
My Betty's isn't even straight. It's curved. Like, slanted. I don't know.
Anyways, these will...
Let me smell.
It smells good. Fruity.
Yeah, it does. I love the smell of orange.
So that was grapefruit and orange that we put in there. We could have added some lemon to it too.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, well that's that. This one that I did is called Purification and Lemon, which just removes bad odors from the house.
Which is good because there's a lot of bad odors in the house. I think. I don't know.
When you cook, for sure, there is.
Yeah, when you cook.
So that's that. In about 3 hours, these will be full grown. And then we can dump the water out. Well, we don't need to because they'll look just like this.
Yep. And so they'll look like before, after. There's a before and after picture.
Yeah. So that's it.
A moment
Super simple.
to realize it. I don't know. That's what people say, so I decided to say.
Who says that?
I don't know. Nobody?
That's it. Should we make something else?
Play-Doh.
No.
I want to make Play-Doh. Why can't we make Play-Doh?
I don't know. We can make
Play-Doh.
We can make a poopery for the other bathrooms.
Sure. So right now.
Because we only have it in one bathroom right now.
Which is that one. Right.
So we need to make two more.
Instead of a cabinet under the stairs, we have a bathroom under the stairs. In an old house, we had a cabinet. In this house, we have a bathroom.
Yeah, at the other house, it would have been Harry Potter's bedroom.
Yeah, it would have. It was actually pretty much the right size. It was deep down into the stairs.
Yeah.
Anyway, enough about our bathroom, because I don't think you really care about our bathroom. This is just a bathroom.
Oh, look at the bounce.
Cool. I want to get the Orby smoothing spa. Smoothing?
I don't know what it's called, but
Smoothing?
maybe for your birthday.
Say in the comments, is it smoothing or smoothing?
Well, it's not a spoothing, because there's no such thing as a spoothing.
What's it called? I can't remember. Orby's smoothing spa? I can't say it. It's hard. Orby's smoothing spa. There. I have a hard time saying a lot of words like library. I said it!
No, you didn't.
Oh. I didn't say it. I said library.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Library? Once I used to say library, and Dad's like, that's not how you say it, blah, 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 blah.
It's library.
I don't know. I can't talk.
That's the end of this video.
So yeah.
We showed you how to make these bathroom smellers. Or you can put it in any room. It doesn't have to be the bathroom. It's just an air freshener.
It can be your kitchen. It can be your
Yes.
living room. It can be your family
just
room. It
takes
can be
out-
by your fruit
It
basket.
can be your daughter's bedroom.
Yes, because my bedroom.
Yes, because you leave dirty laundry on your floor. So
Yes,
it can
I
get rid of
do.
the dirty laundry smell.
Yeah.
Okay, that is it.
Bye.
Bye. Turn it off.
That's your...